Sarees are evergreen, they're always in vogue and is a must-have in every girl's wardrobe. However, draping a saree will always be a debatable topic. If not draped the right way, it can look really shabby. So I'm here today to decode each and every step of how to tie a basic saree. Make a knot on the top corner of the saree and tuck it into the side of the petticoat. Start tucking it from the right side of the petticoat. Once you complete one round, tuck the fabric neatly in front. Now take the rest of the saree and start pleating it from the top end. Take the pleated end and make one complete round from right to left. This becomes your pallu. Secure it with a pin from the inside of the blouse. Take the extra fabric and pin it right below your navel. This makes you look slimmer and gives an elegant cut to your drape. Now start pleating the rest of the saree patiently by winding the cloth from your index finger to your thumb. Take care that the pleats are about 4 inches wide and not more. Also make sure the pleats fall right below your navel and tuck it in neatly. Ready, looking my Indian best in this beauty. Let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful. For more such videos, subscribe to POPxo TV. Also, the POPxo app is getting a new look and we cannot wait to share it with you guys. So go install the POPxo app right now and stay tuned on POPxo.com.